bean.
Like and subscribe. It's kind of like voting for me for president.
Hi, kid. Do you know what's even cooler than the bean?
The cool bean cooling off at the pool. Wow, you didn't tell me we had a celebrity here. There's a celebrity? I need my autograph book. Me too.
Celebrities, they're just like us. They have to enter the pool one string bean leg at a time. Let's dive in. Oh, SPF 200. I need to find some of that. Let's go. Watch out! Here come the cool beans! Oh, but not just the cool beans. The cool beans. Now, when we first met Cool Bean in the Cool Bean, link in description, the Cool Bean was in awe of the other cool beans. You know, the sunglasses, the sideways hat, the leather jacket, even on a hot summer day. Absolutely the epitome of cool. And it made our Cool Bean feel not so cool.
But I got over it.
Yeah, you did.
Mostly.
Yeah, you did.
Check out how they dive. Look at how they cannonball. Watch how they backflip. Yow! What a splashy entrance. The Cool Beans are the best swimmers in town. Yes, this is the life.
Yes. Lazy river, surrounded by friends, something refreshing in your hand. That is the life.
Look at their terrific technique, their perfect posture, their fearless floating. The Cool Beans are at the center of everything. They can compete in the Olympics for the synchronized swimming team. That's so good. Meanwhile, I'm out here on my own. I'm treading water by myself, but hey, we're all just doing our best. Plus, there are plenty of things for an ordinary bean to do in the pool. I can still have a grand old time, yes.
That squiggly little smile is a little less than convincing.
But every time I try to act cool, whoops! Oh no! Splash! Cough, cough, cough. It never goes very well.
Oh, well, that was not so cool, but definitely adorable. Oh no.
Suddenly, I have a new idea. A big idea. A super idea.
Why do I feel nervous?
Have you seen the super slide?
That is definitely why you are nervous.
Up there? See? Way up there?
Oh, no.
You see it?
I do not want to see this. Oh.
Yes, it's huge. Yep, it's tall. Yeah, it's scary.
Ba, ba, ba. Although everybody else seems to be having a really good time there, but not us.
I've never been brave enough to ride on the slide before. Maybe today's my day. After all, how will I ever become a cool bean if I don't take a chance? So now I have a plan. Yes, I'm going to gracefully glide down the super slide. Watch out! Here I come, marching up the steps. Watch out! Here I am, about to ride the super slide to fame and glory. Watch out! Here, why are my knees shaking?
Shaking, you say?
And why do my arms feel like noodles?
Noodles, you say?
And why am I sweating?
Am I sweating? No. I'm perfectly cool.
And why am I wobbly? And why is my stomach filled with butterflies?
Ooh, are we eating butterflies? No, Witcheficent. It's just an expression about how you feel nervous. Boo, nothing cool ever happens around here.
Oh, no. No. Look down there. See? Everybody's staring at me.
Everybody has gathered. Even the jelly beans are out to see this event.
I can't do it. I just can't do it. I don't know what I was thinking.
Run!
Oh, no. What are the cool beans doing? Wait. Why are they coming up here? Oh, wait, are they going to embarrass me even more? Gulp! I can't stand it! It turns out the cool beans just wanted to help me out.
Psst, it looks like you could use a hand.
Oh, and they asked if I'd like to ride the slide with them. They're waiting for my answer.
See, they weren't going to go up there to be mean. No, they were going up there to be kind. And that is cool. Agreed. Now, what will our cool bean decide? To slide or not to slide? That is the question.
Get it out, cool bean. Sure, yes, I would like that.
Great. We'll be right behind you. It's not as scary when you go with friends. It'll be over before you know it. Those cool beans are so cool.
Wee!
Sploosh!
Wow! I did it! I really did it! I really did it! You really did it! What a thrill! What a rush!
What a ride!
And I never even cried.
It would have been okay if you did, though. The water from the pool would have hidden your tears. That's true.
The super slide was super fun, and I couldn't have done it without my cool friends. High five!
Yeah, buddy.
They all realized that I just needed some encouragement and support.
Encouragement and support. Couldn't we all use that sometimes? Couldn't we all give that sometimes?
Yes, because that's what it means to be a true friend.
Creating your own circle of kindness.
Sometimes I forget that there are plenty of kind folks who have my back, of kind folks who are always there when I need them. Yes, indeed.
Watch out, here I come.
Wow. And now it's time to relax with my friends. Because it turns out you can be just as cool at the shallow end of the pool. I found my autograph book. Oh, I found mine too. Can you sign mine? If you sign mine first. Wow, that's cool. That is cool bean.
Bean.